In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook lead ads to N8N in just a few simple steps. This is a great setup if you want your new Facebook leads to flow directly into your automation so you can save time, stay organized, and respond faster. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more N8N tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to use inside N8N. This is the workflow where your Facebook lead ads data will be added, so make sure you're in the correct automation before you continue. Once your workflow is open, look at the nodes panel. This is where you can add new triggers and actions to your automation. Now, from the nodes panel, choose Facebook lead ads trigger. This is the node that will listen for new lead submissions from your Facebook ads. When you select it, N8N will add it to your workflow and open the setup options for you. Next, configure it. This is where you connect the Facebook lead ads trigger to your account and set up the details needed for N8N to detect new leads. Follow the configuration steps in the node settings and make sure everything is connected properly. Once the node is configured, your workflow will be ready to receive lead data automatically whenever someone fills out your Facebook form. And that's it. You've now connected Facebook lead ads to N8N. From here, you can continue building out your workflow however you want. Whether that means sending the lead to a spreadsheet, a CRM, email, or another app in your automation stack. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next N8N tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.